Weekend project 1, fixing my wife's broken Midi keyboard that my kid slammed into the ground and broke off the USB port. And USB port is located on here somewhere. Yes. And I opened this thing up and took away the old broken USB port and soldered in a new one. And now we're going to check if it works. Just going to switch it on in the back. And we'll look at Midi pipe, and in the list I should discover, oh yeah, there it is, Keystation 61. So let's see. Look at the Midi messages and yeah. Short arms, no piano fingers. Alright, that seems to work. Let's see, how about the modulation wheel? Yep, sending. Pitch wheel. Sending. Volume slider. Sending. But now I'm noticing the cap for the fader seems to have fallen off, so I need to find that one. It's probably around here somewhere. But all in all, it seems to be working. Excellent. Bye.